this is Cary coming to you again with another work from home tip, and today's tip is about making your bed. Yes, they say that making your bed is one of the first ways to set yourself up for success. It's a task, you do it, you've accomplished it, and whoa, the day's already off to a fantastic start. And even better, you feel good about yourself. So, this is my challenge to you. We're gonna make our beds. And you know what? It doesn't take that long. In fact, I have my son in the other room, and he's about to make his bed. So we're gonna do a bed making challenge and see what the time is like. Well, let's go check out Max's room. Hold on one second. Hey, Max, are you ready for the challenge?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna put this back in the cradle. And we have our timekeeper. Let me check on our timekeeper. Are you ready, timekeeper? Awesome. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's make our beds. All right, guys, are you ready to see how long it took? Let me go get the timekeepers. Whoa! This is one for the record books, guys! 59 seconds! Oh my gosh, 59 seconds to make a bed. How amazing is that? I'm pretty impressed. Should we go check and see if Max's room is done? Let's go see. Taking the camera. Look, his bed is all made! Awesome. So there you have it, everyone. Making your bed. It's easy peasy. Just a few minutes of your time, or maybe just 1 minute. And that's my challenge to you guys. Make it fun for your family. See how fast you can get your bed made. And guess what? You get that first task done, out of the way, and you're set up for a most successful day. From my family to yours, have a happy work from home day. Take care.